So there's one thing in Leicester at the moment, Lewis, that is on decline, and that's not here at RDL Technologies. You've had a great year. In fact, you've had a great few years. Tell us a little bit about what's happening here at the moment at this company.
Well, business-wise, in the last 12 months, we've increased our turnover by 25%. We've installed new machinery in 2 of our shops. We've installed the ST38 in the sliding head shop, which takes us to 15 machines up to a capacity of 40 mil diameter.
This is like the shop we're in now, which is the sliding head shop, isn't it, where you've got the ST38. Who are you making parts for in here? Give us an idea of what you're machining.
We machine fasteners, we machine parts for the oil and gas industry, motorsport.
And are you running production here? Are you running lights out?
We do. We run lights out on every machine.
And this new ST38, just tell us a little bit about this machine and what it adds in terms of value for this machine shop.
Well, the ST38 is a whole new dimension to sliding head machinery. It increases our capacity to 40 mil diameter, as I mentioned. It allows us to create almost parts that you would conventionally associate with fixed heads in milling machines in one single hit on a sliding head machine, which also allows us to run it lights out without a man standing there. It gives us great capacity, capabilities. The customer makes us extremely competitive in the marketplace when quoting for customers.
It is you must have thousands of parts coming out of this shop alone, have you, every week?
We do. We run large batch, small batches from 400-500 up to large batch quantities up to 100,000 parts. So we turn over a lot of components.
And one of the reasons we're here and what I like about RDL is when you do fill your capacity, you go and buy more capacity and then you fill that as well.
We certainly do. We react to the market, the current climate. If we get a customer that comes along with a specific requirement, we're not afraid to invest. We invest in the future. We buy state-of-the-art machinery and equipment, and it keeps us ahead of all our competitors.
And I know you've got capacity in here at the moment, but another shop where you've recently invested, in fact the back end of 2016, was you bought some Doosan machines, correct?
We certainly did. We've got 7 Doosans in our previous Cam Auto shop. We took out the old machines and installed 7 new machines. There's 5 bar-fed lathes, 2 chucking machines in there. It gives us the ability to use billeted parts, bar-fed components which also run lights out.
And the great thing is you could bring the work from the Cam Autos into this shop to give you your capacity for your Doosans to tackle different markets.
We did. It made business sense to bring the work into here. These machines are a lot quicker than the Cam Autos used to be. Once the machine's set, it runs no problem. We have a few men checking each machine to make sure we're making correct components, and it's a step forward, it's the future.
And the third machine shop, we can't forget that's where you've got other Doosan machines, you've got a multi-axis Nakamura Y-axis lathe as well as hard-hinge turning centres. So you've got a really good spread of machine tools, haven't you, throughout the factory to give you that real diverse offering.
We do. We have a machine for almost any job. That's why we took the step to buy the ST38 for this shop. It gives us the next level. We've also recently bought a new company, RDL Laser. We do laser marking now, which we can offer a complete package for our customers.
And I was going to ask you about that. With the laser marking, you were doing a lot of subcontracting that type of work out, but now you can bring that back in-house. But you've also got capacity then to sell that service on, which there aren't many that do laser marking, are there?
No, it's really good for our current customers. There's a few customers that require laser marking on their components, and we advertise this service to them, and they're very happy to purchase a component complete in one go. It comes straight from us, straight to them, and there's no more lead times involved.
And I know we spoke about you've got capacity, and that's one of the things that the MTD promote for you, the fact that if somebody is looking for turn parts or machine milled prismatic parts, RDL is a solution. But it's not just about having the capacity, it's about how you deliver your solution to the customer. What do you pride yourselves on? Is it the ability to deliver just accurate components or hit lead times or quality? What is it that's good about RDL?
Well, with the variety of machines we have, in the range and the number of machines we have, we're very competitive on lead times when we need to be for customers. Customers nowadays want everything yesterday, and we react to that. We can turn things around in a few days for customers. With the range of machines, we can offer competitive pricing. We can offer a one-stop shop, as mentioned before. It's just all under one roof.
All encompassing. Thank you very much, Lewis.
Thank you.